Going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. Just wanted to do a quick video. You guys have seen on Instagram that I did an engine dress up with PRL accessories, which is the oil cap and also the battery tie down. Today I'm going to be switching it out for the red one. Just real quick, guys, this is real easy. All you have to do, this is the stock one, and there's a rubber seal here that goes in this rim right here. All you have to do is remove it and place it on the new one, which goes right here. And that's very straightforward. All you have to do is go ahead and you put that there, and the cap fits right where it should. Go ahead and tighten it, and that's basically it for that part. Makes it look real nice. And then here on the tie down, the stock bracket looks like this, and basically the studs come up, and with the 10mm bolts they're tied down. So all you have to do is take off the 10mm. There's two of them. You take it off, this whole bracket comes off, you put in the new one, and you replace the 10mm bolts. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the black one here, and I'm gonna go ahead and install the red one so you guys can see how it is. Alright, guys, so on the stock one, you're gonna have this clip here that's mounted on the wire harness. You can use a flathead screwdriver. Don't be afraid to push some pressure, but it just pops up. Once you change this out, it doesn't stay as, as secured. It just comes off real easily. But that's all you do. Don't be afraid to go ahead and pull it off. And that's it. All you're gonna do is remove the 10mm. On the stock one, you might have to use one of those open wrenches because the screw is a little bit more down. So you need a deep socket. A socket like this, you're not gonna be able to take off the stock screw. And guys, when you're doing this, you want to do it even on both sides, so that you're not over threading one over the other. Well, basically that's the idea. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with the red one. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with the red one. So all you have to do is kind of pull on the studs or the hangers. They're secured on the sides, but so that everything is nice, and then you can just kind of go ahead and position everything, put in the bolt back on, and then just start the screwing again. Same thing, guys, you want to do a little bit on each side so that the threads is going in even on both sides. You just want to do it hand tight. There's no need to go over torquing anything. Hand tight should be. It's nice and fit there. Go ahead and put back the wire, and that's basically it. So this is how it looks. Just gives the car, the engine bay, a nice little look. And since I'm doing a full PRL build, it just complements everything that's on the engine. Anyway guys, let me know what you guys think. These are PRL has it as a kit, single color if you get it as a kit. So if you want black, blue or red, they have it as a kit. The price is much lower when you get it as a kit. I custom ordered mine where I asked them if they can send me a black oil cap and a red tie down. There was a mistake and they ended up sending me all black, so they ended up sending me a replacement, and that's how I got the red now, because that's the setup that I wanted. I wanted a red battery tie down and a black oil cap to kind of do the contrast with the engine cover. Anyways guys, let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very blessed day.